Hi McGlone students and families. This is Miss Todd, one of the reading interventionists for kindergarten through second grade. And the purpose of this video today is to walk you through some new reading resources that have been made available on the McGlone website. So once you are on McGlone Academy, you're going to click into the McGlone Academy remote learning page. And the new tab that is available, or new link, is under Lobitos, K3 English Reading Resources. When you click on this link, it will take you to a one-page document that includes a variety of activities and resources to support your student with their reading development at home. The purpose of this page is to give you some additional resources and activities that your student can use at home in addition to the lessons that they are doing with their teachers. So as it states at the top, this document is a work in progress. We will continue to update it with videos and links as we create and add more resources. When you look at this document, you'll notice that there are some categories for these resources. At the top, we have letter and sound videos. These will take you to some YouTube videos that I've made that include flashcard practice with the different letters and sounds that students have learned at school. So if your student needs some support with practicing their letters or sounds or word parts, this is a great place to come to. We've also provided some videos and digital copies of books that students can read at home. And these books match some of the spelling patterns that they've learned in their phonics lessons at school. So for example, so far I've included 3 YouTube videos that align to the phonics lessons that I've taught for the first 3 weeks of remote learning for first and second grade. And down below you'll see digital copies of all of the decodable texts. So there are single-sided versions of these different texts. So if your student would like to read them at home, they can download the digital copy here. Coming back to our one-pager, we've also included a lot of fun word work games. We know that sometimes just sitting and looking at lessons on the computer can get a little tedious. So if you want to give your kids some more interactive opportunities to practice their reading and writing, these are some great options. You'll notice that for the links, there are links to some videos that talk through how to make different games and activities, as well as some pre-made resources that are included. Just to walk you through one, if your student enjoys doing crossword puzzles, we have a ton of great options for rules that they've been working on. So for example, recently one of my lessons included AY words. And here you can find a crossword puzzle that includes practice for lots of AY words. So again, these word work activities are just great extra practice for students and give them some more hands-on and fun ways to practice the different rules and strategies that they're working on in phonics. And down below, if you need some ideas for words to include in any of these games or for additional practice, we have some word lists available. The word lists include both those high frequency or sight words that students need to be able to know quickly. So that PDF file is included here that you can practice any of those words. We also have a word list by spelling pattern document that goes through those different spelling patterns and examples of words that fit that pattern. So students could make lots of different games practicing some of these spelling patterns that are included here. And finally, we've also included some different sets of picture cards. And these are great for listening or those phonological awareness games if students are struggling with rhyming or hearing syllables, hearing sounds in words. All of these picture cards that are included here can be used for lots of different games to practice students' phonological awareness skills. Again, we hope that these resources are helpful to you, and if you have any questions about these resources, please feel free to reach out to me or your teacher and continue to check back for new resources as we add them. Thanks and have a great day.